How to log in into Greenwich Council Tax Account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this simple video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can log in into your Greenwich Council Tax Account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, do make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari. Now on the search bar, type Greenwich Council Tax Login and search for it. After searching, here you will see different websites and links on the screen. Click on the second option, Sign In. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. After filling all your information, click on Sign In and you are good to go. In this very simple and easy process, you can log in into your account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.